Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Rara Sajang Pratiwi from Accounting Study Program with NPM 2341208. Here I want to explain about the development of accounting principle in the United States. Okay, accounting principle in the United States have developed over time in response to economic strength, financial crisis, and the growing complexity of business activities. These principles are known as generally accepted accounting principles, or GAAP, and serve as the functional for financial reporting. Early development before 1930. In the early period, accounting practice in the United States were not standardized. Companies used different methods based on their own preference, resulting in a lack of consistency and comparability in financial statements. Key characteristics: the first is non-formal standard setting body. The second is practice based on experience and convention. And the last is limited regulation. Okay, next is the impact of the Great Depression, 1930s. The Great Depression marked a turning point in the development of accounting principles. Many companies collapsed and unreliable financial report was identified as one of the contributing factors. As a result, the government began to regulate financial reports. The second, the Securities and Exchange Commission was established, and the last is greater emphasis was placed on transparency and reliability. Next is the role of standard setting bodies. Over time, several organizations were established to develop and improve accounting principles in the U.S. The first is Committee on Accounting Procedure, CFE, 1939 until 1959. CAP is an accounting research bulletin to address specific accounting problems but lacked a comprehensive framework. The second is Accounting Principle Board, or APB, 1959 until 1973. APB aimed to develop a more structured set of principles. However, it faced criticism for inconsistency and lack of independence. The last is Financial Accounting Standards Board, or FASB, 1973 until present. FASB became the primary standard setting body. It introduced a conceptual framework and continued to develop GAAP to improve financial reporting quality. Okay, next is establishment of GAAP. GAAP represents a set of standardized accounting principles used in the United States. It ensures consistency, comparability, and transparency in financial reporting. Main objective of GAAP: the first is provide reliable financial information. The second is exchange comparability between companies. The third and last, support decision making by user. Influence of international standards. With globalization, U.S. accounting principles have been influenced by international standards such as IFRS. Although GAAP and IFRS differ in some aspects, efforts have been made to harmonize them. Okay, next is challenge and modern development. Accounting principles in the U.S. continue to evolve due to the first is technological advancement, the second is complex financial instrument, and the last is global business expansion. These factors require continuous update to ensure relevance and reliability. The last is conclusion. The development of accounting principle in the United States has been shaped by economists, event, regulatory needs, and institutional change. From unregulated practice to a structured system like GAAP, accounting principles have become essential for ensuring transparency and trust in financial reporting. I think enough I presentation. If there is mistake, I'm so sorry. And thank you very much for your nice attention. And finally, I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.